If your granny square coming out wonky and those rounds just won't stay straight, then you're in right place. This tutorial is made for you. Hi lovelies, I'm Nazanin and this is my crochet corner. Today I'm gonna teach you how to crochet beautiful multicolor granny square motif with perfectly straight and even rounds, no twisting, invisible color changes, a reversible design with no wrong or right side, and freedom to make it any size you like, from a tiny coaster or a big cozy blanket. And this tutorial is absolutely perfect for beginners. You'll need a crochet hook that matches your yarn, scissors, and a yarn needle, and of course some yarn in the colors of your choice. I'll be using Cartopo Cotton yarn today, but you can choose whatever works for your projects. Let's jump in and learn this professional granny square technique together. Start with magic ring, wrap a yarn around your fingers, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab a yarn, bring it out, and now grab a yarn, pull through and make a chain. Here is our magic ring. Now we're gonna making 3 chains as a first double crochet, and now we're gonna making 2 more double crochet. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the circle, bring a yarn out, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Okay, here is our double crochet. Then make 2 chains, and now we're gonna making 3 more double crochet in the circle. 1, 2, and 3. Here is our second side of our square, and now we're gonna making 2 chains for the second corner. Now again repeat this diagram by making 3 double crochet and 2 chains 2 more times for the next 2 sides of our square. Okay, now we have 4 clusters of 3 double crochet and 4 chain spaces. Close the hole by pulling up the loop of the middle here, and now insert your hook into the 3rd chain here of the first. Don't complete it. Bring your next color, make a slip knot on your hook by new color, and pull through 2 loops and make 3 chains. Flip your work to the wrong side, grab your 2 tail of the yarns from the previous color and the new color, and now we're gonna making 2 double crochet in the chain space over your tail of the yarns, and now make 2 tight knots but by tail of the yarns. Okay, and the second one, and now cut the tail of the yarns very close to the knots that we made. Okay, now we continue by crocheting around 2 without no chain. Go to the next 2 chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet in there plus 2 chains, and again 3 double crochet in the same chain space. Here is our second corner. Okay, and now without any chains, go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. And now for the 3rd corner, make 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. This part of diagram are the same for the all rounds. In the each rounds in the corner spaces, you need make these stitches, okay? And go to the first corner, make 3 double crochet in there and 2 chains. Insert your hook to the third chain here. Don't make any stitch in there. Grab your next color, make a slip knot on your hook and pull through 2 loops. Now make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Flip your work to the wrong side. Grab your 2 tail of the yarns and now make 2 double crochet over your tail of the yarns and into the first chain space, okay? Now make 2 tight knots with your 2 tail of the yarns, a tail of the yarn from the new color and the previous color of the previous round. And now cut the tail of the yarn very close to the knots. And now continue with making 3 double crochet into the next space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet of the side of the square. Here make 3 double crochet in there without no chains between the corners and the sides of the square, just making 3 double crochets, okay? Go to the next corner, make 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the same chain space, okay? There are so many ways to crochet granny square, but I truly believe it's wonderful is we can all become professional level crocheters, either from the very first day you hold the hook. You should start learning how to crochet like a pro. And the good news, this is totally possible just by following a few tiny simple tips. So if you're beginners and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can learn all the little secrets to making your crochet look amazing. Your support truly means the world to me. Continue with making 3 double crochets in the each spaces between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet of the each side and 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets into the each chain spaces of the corners, okay? 3 double crochet in the space of the side between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, and now in the end make 3 double crochet in the first corner before the 3 chains of the first. Now we're gonna making 2 chains, insert our hook into the third chain, skip it here, grab our next color, make a slip knot on our hook and pull through 2 loops on our hook. Now making 3 chains, flip our work to the wrong side, grab our tail of the yarns and make 2 double crochet over the tail of the yarns and into the chain space. Make 2 tight knots with our tail of the yarns and cut them very close to the knots, and done. I wanna secure this tail of the yarn from the first of the magic ring. Pull it and move between the stitches very slowly and hide it between them. Okay, cut the yarn and all you need to do is keep rocking round 3. Don't forget those color changes tips, and all you need to do is that making 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the corner spaces and 3 double crochets into each spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochets. I'm about to crochet a few more rounds and I can't wait to show you the gorgeous results. Then stay tuned. That's it, my friends. Our beautiful granny square is ready to shine. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss out next cozy crochet project. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.